Hello and welcome back into my channel. So today in this video we are going to unbox the Canon PIXMA Megatank GM2070. This is a single function monochrome ink tank printer with Wi-Fi connectivity and auto-duplex printing. So let's check it out what is inside this box. One bottle of GM70 black ink, so everything is well placed. Canon provides all the essentials to get started. So printer has a sleek black design and compact yet sturdy, and it weighs around 6 kg. So this is a perfect printer for home offices and small businesses. And it has also the Ethernet connection. We can print through Ethernet connectivity. So that's all for our today's video. I'll put all the information link in my video description. So thanks for watching.